Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Podia for memberships and recurring payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Podia for memberships and recurring payments, log into your Podia account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Products section. Click on the New Product button. Select Membership from the available product types. Enter a name for your membership program in the provided field. Add a description that highlights the benefits of the membership. Customize the membership settings to suit your needs. Choose whether the membership will have a free trial or not. Set the price for the membership, indicating the recurring payment amount. Decide on the billing frequency, such as monthly or yearly. You can also offer a one-time fee option if appropriate for your membership. Next, configure the access settings for your membership content. Select which existing digital products and content will be included. Make any necessary adjustments to the content visibility. Now, move on to setting up the checkout process. Access the checkout settings within the membership configuration. Customize the checkout experience with your branding. Add any necessary fields you want for customer information collection. Review your payment settings to ensure they are accurate. Ensure you have connected your payment processor, such as Stripe or PayPal. Save your changes to finalize the membership setup. Next, configure your email notifications for new members. Navigate to the Email section within the Podia dashboard. Set up welcome emails to greet new members automatically. Consider adding reminders or updates for current members about upcoming content. Test the membership and payment process by creating a test account. Review each step to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once satisfied, officially launch your membership to your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.